Hey, it's Joe. Don't do this if you're new to real estate investing. Don't spend your own cash. Don't go out and get loans. You've heard me say this before. You don't need to do either of those things. Do zero down deals. If you can't make money with no money, you can't make money with money. It does not take money to make money. It does not take good credit to make money. Don't be bound into the conventional wisdom. You can structure these deals. Think about the Waltons, Sam Walton, and building Walmart. He filed bankruptcy 3 times before he built Walmart. He had terrible credit. He didn't have any money of his own. He had to start from scratch, and he built that into a multi-billion-dollar industry with no credit and no cash. You can do the same thing, and maybe not as a billionaire. And that's not my goal. My goal is to have freedom and comfort and be able to run my life the way that I want to live it, and be able to have the things that I want in my life, and be able to give to the people that I want to give to, and support the causes that I think are important. Those are the things that I want in my life, and I don't need to be a billionaire to make that happen. But you can do these things without borrowing money or without using your own money. And when I say borrow money, I'm talking about from conventional lenders or hard money loans or private money. Use seller financing to do these deals. And eventually you're going to use your own cash, but you're not going to use your own cash until you know how to do this stuff properly, and you never want to put your cash at risk. So put that aside. You don't need to spend it. The more you do zero down deals, the less you'll want to spend your cash. And you'll take your cash and you'll put it into a safe property. You'll pay off a property entirely. You'll get seller financing plus a little bit of cash to fix it up. That's where you'll want to spend your cash, because you can leverage it to the best if you do it that way. All right. Avoid those things. Use the other techniques that I teach, and you'll do well. Good luck to you. Subscribe to the channel. Go to zerodowninvesting.com. Check out my mentor program. Go to pushbuttonautomarketer.com. Check out the automation and how we do that. And go to joecrumpblog.com for lots of free videos, and get on my newsletter. It's free. All right. Take care.